Small business ideas for teens and how to start one. Let's take a look at why you should become a teen entrepreneur, how to start a business as a teenager, and some of the best small business ideas for teens. The benefits of becoming a teen entrepreneur. Best of all, creating a successful business will see you getting paid. Small business ideas for teens. For a bit of inspiration, here are some of the most common business ideas for teens, and what they involve. 1. Babysitting. Babysitting also has zero startup costs. 2. Tutoring. Whether your talents lie in maths, English, science or music, becoming a tutor can be a hugely rewarding business venture that also doesn't require much upfront investment. 3. Dog walking. This is a business that is easy to both start and scale. 4. Streaming. Running your own channel on a streaming service like Twitch can be a hugely lucrative exercise, as you're paid by your viewers, though this is quite a competitive space. 5. Social media influencing. Not a gamer? 6. Tech/social media consulting. Love technology and social media, but prefer to stay out of the spotlight? 7. Blogging/vlogging. Simply create your website or YouTube profile, choose your field of interest, and get creating. 8. Freelance writing. If you're old enough, consider creating a profile on Upwork or Fiverr marketplaces where you can shop for work. 9. Photography. Whether you capture landscapes, wildlife or personal moments is up to you. 10. Sell online. Make your work available via a site like Etsy, or consider establishing your own online store. Build your business with a free online store. Get set up in minutes and start selling today. 11. Selling at a market stall. Alternatively, go analog, take your arts and crafts to a local market, and earn money in person.